Hey everybody, this is Taylor Bowerman presenting my poster called Do You Know What You Are Eating? The purpose of my project was to determine why people make the food selections that they do. The way we found this out was we formulated 8 survey questions in an email, and we sent that link to our target audience, which was female students attending BYU Idaho, ages 18 to 25. And we created 8 of these survey questions using a scale system with numbers 1 through 5. And we wanted to know about people's ability to implement their nutrition knowledge into their cooking, or if it was a deciding factor when they went to buy food. We also wanted to know if their food choices were impaired because of their financial restrictions or any other restrictions. I included a couple of charts and graphs showing our conclusion or our findings. And as you can see with the bar graph right there, that cost of food was among the highest factors that affected their food choices, along with availability of food items, convenience, time constraints, and then a little bit further down the line is cooking skills, allergies or food constraints, or other health constraints. So we came up with a conclusion that there were multiple factors that determined what college students eat. The main one being if they had a higher budget that they could put towards the groceries, that they would eat healthier. That was the main thing that affected their food choices. Another conclusion we drew is that people make their food selections based on convenience, time constraints, and availability of food options. Our further purpose in creating this survey was to get people thinking about how they can implement their knowledge of nutrition into cooking and buying options. It allows people to look at their own habits and analyze where they can improve based upon their responses. Hope you guys enjoyed my presentation, and ask any questions in the comments below. Thanks.